If you're looking for interesting and unique 3D printed models, this is the right video for you. Because today we are counting down our top 10 amazing 3D printed objects that will blow your mind. So let's jump into the video. (10) 3D printed makeup. The evolution of 3D printed makeup is a prime example of how technology is advancing and pushing the boundaries of what is possible. It allows for the creation of highly customized cosmetics tailored to your specific preferences and skin type. This technology enables complex and detailed designs and patterns that are difficult to achieve with traditional makeup applications, indicating how technology is changing the way we live and work every day. 9. Printing shoes. The development of printing shoes is offering new sustainability and design possibilities. You may be able to walk into a store, have your feet scanned, and walk out with a pair of custom 3D printed shoes in a matter of hours. Moreover, designers can quickly prototype new shoe designs, test them, and make adjustments as needed, which indeed is an amazing application of 3D printing technology in the fashion and footwear industry. 8. Wall climbing robot. Wall climbing robots stand for a promising field where technology is progressing the boundaries of mobility, accessibility, and safety. These robots are playing an important role in industries like manufacturing, search and rescue, and space investigation. 7. Usable 3D printed clothing. Fashion designers are teaming up with 3D printing experts to create unique lines of 3D printed clothing, pushing the limits of fashion design and production. It allows for a high degree of customization. It can be designed to fit your body type, style likings, and even specific functional needs, proving how innovation is redefining fashion by advancing new levels of sustainability, customization, and functionality. 6. Synthetic food. The development of synthetic food is offering new levels of personalization, sustainability, and nutrition, which is evidence of how technology is advancing and reshaping traditional food production and consumption, ensuring food safety by removing contaminants and providing a controlled environment for food production. Moreover, it allows for tailored nutrition, flavor profiles, and dietary restrictions. It can also be tailored to meet your dietary needs and preferences and renovate the way we produce and enjoy food in our daily lives. 5. Medical implants. The current advancement of 3D printed medical implants includes a wide range of applications, like bone implants, dental implants, orthopedic implants, and even cranial implants for patients with head injuries. Not to mention progress in 3D bioprinting technology, which is enabling the creation of living tissue and organs, holding the potential for transplantable organs in the future. This is a major example of how we can expect even more groundbreaking evolution in the medical field, changing the way we address health issues and improving the quality of life for patients. 4. Ultra-realistic face mask. Ultra-realistic face masks can be customized to look like a specific person. They are often used in the film industry for actors to impersonate others convincingly. Surely you remember Tom Cruise's Mission Impossible series, because these masks are normally used to create lifelike characters and for disguises in movies and television shows. Unfortunately, these masks can also be used for criminal purposes, allowing individuals to disguise themselves and commit false or illegal activities. Security people and law enforcement agencies sometimes use these masks for secret operations and surveillance. In short, the development of ultra-realistic face masks is advancing and shaping various aspects of our lives. 3. Stratty 3D printed car. The Stratty's body and framework are primarily constructed using a large-scale 3D printer, allowing you to tailor the car's design and features to your preferences. The development of the Stratty 3D printed car is a prime example of lightweight and energy efficient due to its basic design and the use of advanced materials. As technology continues to progress, car manufacturers are discovering ways to make 3D printed cars more supportable by using recycled materials and eco-friendly production processes. 2. Biodegradable body parts. 3D printing technology allows for the exact customization of biodegradable implants to match the patient's unique anatomy and medical requirements. These parts are shaped to temporarily replace or support missing or damaged tissues, such as bones, joints, and organs, while helping natural tissue regeneration. The technology is advancing the field of healthcare by offering innovative solutions in biodegradable body parts. 1. 3D printed sweets and candies. 3D printing allows for highly tailored sweets and candies, which are popular as distinctive and personalized gifts for special occasions such as weddings, birthdays, and holidays. Advanced algorithms are being used so they can be tailored to match your preferences for flavors, shapes, and designs. The technology allows for the creation of edible works of art in 3D prints, showcasing the thrilling possibilities that technology is bringing to the world of cooking arts and food production. So that was all about today's video. If you enjoyed watching the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.